Hey creative peeps, welcome back to A Thing of Beauty. If you're new here, I'm Ashwati and I create content for creative people. This is the third video in my Procreate bite-sized tutorial series. If you missed the previous ones, I'll put the link for the playlist in the description. I highly recommend you watch them. Today we are going to see the gestures. Procreate comes with many default gestures. It's better you be familiar with these because it's going to make your life a lot easier. Trust me. Tap the screen with 2 fingers to undo and tap the screen with 3 fingers to redo. You can hold down with 2 fingers for continuous undo and hold down 3 fingers for continuous redo. To erase everything in one layer, wiggle 3 fingers. Pinch 2 fingers outwards for zoom in. Pinch 2 fingers inwards for zoom out. And to rotate or twist the canvas, use 2 fingers. To bring the canvas to the full view, pinch 2 fingers closed. To hide the user interface and utilize the full screen, tap with 4 fingers. To cut, copy or paste, swipe down with 3 fingers. Or you can click here. To draw a straight line, hold down the Apple Pencil. To activate the quick shape, hold down an additional finger. Pinch in 2 layers to merge them, and any layers in between them will also be merged. Tap and hold 1 finger on a specific color in a document to activate the eyedropper tool. This helps a lot in workflow. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified for the next video. Until we see you next time, see ya!